Alrighty, if I want to find f of negative 6, and this is f, our normal way to find f of negative 6 has always been to simply rewrite it, and we are going to plug in for x, we're going to plug in that negative 6. This is the normal way you would have normally found f of negative 6. But what we are doing, we're going to use a shortcut to do that. Now, if I take the time to crunch all of this, okay, you'd be like, ooh, that would take me a little while. Yes, it would. If you did take the time to do it, you would get 11. But I'm going to show you using synthetic division a way to do this. So here's how we do it with synthetic division. It can do the same crunching. What we're going to do here in the corner is that negative 6. And then we take the coefficients of each piece of the term. Now, do you notice that the x is missing? So we need to put a 0 here for x. All right, so we're going to put 2 for the x cubed, 13 for the x squared, 0 for the x, and negative 25 for the units digit. And then we do our synthetic division. So we bring down the 2. Negative 6 times 2 is negative 12. Add down, I get 1. Negative 6 times 1 is negative 6. Add down, I get negative 6. Negative 6 times negative 6 is positive 36. Add down is 11. And what you should notice is they're the same. Either way works. So f of negative 6 is equal to 11. Either way works. I just want you to kind of learn this because you'll find it's way easier to do than all those big old huge numbers. It's a shortcut to calculate polynomials. Good luck. So we're going to find the y value that completes the coordinate given the x value. So given this x value, I want to find the y value, which really you should think that is just saying I want f of 3. Really all it's saying is I want f of 3. Plug in 3, what is the value? So we could plug in 3 to each x, or we can use what we've been using, which is synthetic division. So we're going to use a 3, and we look at the coefficients here. So that's going to be a 2, negative 5, negative 6, and 15. And we're just going to use synthetic to take care of finding the value at 3. Bring down the 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Add down, you get 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Add down, you get negative 3. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Add down, and you get 6. So what that means is that right there is 6. Because f of 3 is 6 from what we talked about earlier. So because this is 6, it's saying when you plug in 3, you get 6, which means the coordinate is 3, 6. We are done.